Watch this. It is May 29th, 1453. The bells sound wrong today. Noise has echoed outside for weeks, but this morning feels dangerously different. Inside the walls, people sense the shift.
A fully voiced history documentary, cinematic visuals, consistent style across every scene, built from one topic in one session. By the end of this video, you'll have a system that turns any topic into a video like that, and it runs forever. Here's what most AI video workflows look like. You find a tutorial, you copy the prompts, you follow the steps, you get a result. Then, next week, you want another video, and you start from scratch. Same research, same prompt hunting, same manual steps. Every single time. What we're building today is different. Not a workflow you follow once, a system you build once, and it knows your niche, your audience, and your style permanently. You give it a topic, it does the rest. Everything starts with the notebooks, 6 of them, one for each layer of intelligence the system needs about your niche. You build these once, and after today, you never touch them again unless your niche changes. Notebook 1 is competitor research. Go to YouTube, search for top-performing videos in your niche. I'm working in the history documentary space. Filter by view count. History content is evergreen, so the date matters less than the numbers. Find the outliers, the videos that overperformed. Copy those URLs into a text file. You'll need them again in a later notebook. Open NotebookLM. Start a new notebook. Add those URLs as sources. Then, run the first prompt. All prompts from this video are in the pinned comment. 2 things to notice in the output. 1. It recommends a specific video length and explains exactly why, based on real data from those sources. 2. It finds a content gap, an angle nobody in this niche is covering well. That gap is where you position your video. Notebook 2. Audience psychology. Not demographics, psychology. What does this viewer actually want? What are they afraid of? What makes them click? Use NotebookLM's Deep Research feature. Copy the first part of the prompt, paste it in, select Deep Research, replace the niche placeholder with your niche, and run it. Once the research finishes, import it into the source panel. Then, paste the second half of the prompt and hit Enter. This is what most creators skip. They make videos for themselves, not for the person watching. Notebook 3. Hook and retention. We study how the top videos in your niche grab attention in the first 5 seconds and hold it to the end. Go back to those top-performing URLs. Open each video. Copy the title and the first 60 seconds of the transcript. Paste everything into a document and save it. Upload that document as the source for Notebook 3. Then, run a deep research on hook and retention patterns in your niche. Import the results and run the prompt. Notebook 4. Video techniques. Pacing, narration style, scene sequencing. The craft behind the videos that actually work. Deep research again. Copy the first part of the prompt, replace the niche placeholder, run it, import the results, then paste the rest and hit Enter. Notebook 5. Visual identity. What visual style dominates your niche? Cinematic? Photorealistic? Illustrated? This tells the system what look fits this audience. Same process as Notebook 4. And Notebook 6, Tool Prompt Terms. This one directly determines output quality. I'm using Nano Banana 2, ElevenLabs, and VO3 in this workflow. So I paste in the URLs from the official prompt documentation for each of those tools. Whatever tools you're using, find their official prompt guides and add those URLs here. Then, run the final prompt. 6 notebooks, 1 niche. This is the knowledge base that makes everything else possible. Now, Gemini Gems. Open Google Gemini. Click the settings icon, then Gems. Under Gem Manager, click New Gem. Name it Story Engine. Paste the master prompt into the instructions field. Under Knowledge, select NotebookLM and connect all 6 notebooks. One important detail: your NotebookLM account and your Gemini account must be the same Google account. Save the gem. If you want one new system like this every week, subscribe now. New video every week, same day. Now take a topic. Notice when I'm giving it now. Not just a topic, a complete idea. Specific moments, a specific emotional angle, a specific time period within the story. The gem can only be as specific as what you put in. That's the one thing it can't do for you. The gem doesn't come up with ideas for you. That's not its job. You bring the raw story, your specific details, your angle, your moments. The gem takes that and reframes it into something structured and watchable, using everything it learned from your research. Good thinking in, and the gem makes it great. Also include your target video length. The output is a clean voiceover script. No labels, no brackets, no stage directions. Just the words, ready to paste directly into a voice tool. Take that script into ElevenLabs. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month, enough for a 15 to 20-minute video from my experience, and it resets each month. Pick your voice, paste the script, generate. Download the audio. Write down the exact voiceover length in seconds. Gem 2, the asset generator. Same setup process. New gem, name it, paste the master prompt, connect the same 6 notebooks. Paste in the voiceover script. Enter the exact audio length in seconds. Then specify your visual style directly. Don't leave it for the gem to guess. I'm locking a specific cinematic look. Finally, scene duration. I enter 5.5 seconds. Because I'm generating 6-second clips with half a second reserved for transitions. That gives us the exact scene count. If your tool generates 8-second clips, enter 7.5. Always clip length minus 0.5. The output is a full production table. Image prompts, video prompts, scene order, everything mapped to the script. Images first. Google Flow, Nano Banana 2. Free and unlimited. I tested this across a full production run. Generate each scene image using the prompts from the table. These are the starting frames for your clips. The stronger the image, the stronger the clip. Now, video. I'll show you the paid path first. Higgsfield. VO3 Lite. Upload the image, paste the prompt, generate. "60 seconds per clip, 1080p up to 8 seconds. That's what you're paying for. Time. The free path. Search Tencent HY Research. Open Try HY. Select Multimodal Experience. Then HY Video 1.5. Upload the image, paste the prompt, generate. 5 to 10 minutes per clip. The quality is genuinely good. Not identical, but publishable. One thing to note, Hunyuan's free output includes a small watermark. One crop in your editor, 5 seconds, done. Both paths end at the same place. You choose what you pay with, money or time. Assembly. Use whatever editor you have. The production table tells you exactly which clip goes where. No guessing. Add dissolve transitions between clips. Set background music underneath. Export. 6 notebooks, 2 gems, any topic, forever. The full prompt pack is in the pinned comment.